Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be making Habanero Chilaquiles. I had previously made a video of how to make habanero salsa. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. I will be posting the link down below. Alright, I'm going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil onto a hot pan. Then I'm going to be adding my previously made salsa. I will also be adding this Mexican herb called Epazote. I clearly remember growing up, my grandmother used to use this herb to make chilaquiles. This definitely gives this dish a unique taste. Alright, while this is cooking, I'm going to be adding about a 1/4 cup of water. Just keep in mind, if it's too spicy, you could go ahead and add more water. Alright, I'm going to be blending the epazote and salsa for a few seconds and then placing it back into the pan. I'm going to be dicing a 1/2 onion along with some cilantro. This is going to go right on top of the chilaquiles. Alright, I like to use tortilla chips. I bought this from my local market. This definitely cuts out a step. If not, you would have to cut tortillas and fry them yourself. I'm going to be generous with my Monterey Jack cheese and then just wait till it melts. Alright, this is about ready. Let's go ahead and plate this up. I'm going to be serving this with onion, cilantro, and queso fresco. I'm also going to be adding 2 over easy eggs right on top. Guys, I really hope you try this. This is very easy and delicious. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for joining me in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.
That's all for now from willsblazingbbqandkitchen. BBQ is so good, make you want to slap your papa.